another one port, which is on the northeast island, is one of the most protected areas, and I think that most of you know about this place because most of you know we are heading to a very rare space that comes because they are coming every year to make their nests at this place from many parts of the world, and then to protect this area, because there are many other very rare species that exist at this place, that live at this place, but mostly the sea turtles, Caretta caretta, who comes here every year.
So, tumigil muna kami dito sa mga free taste nila ng mga wine. Kasi dito sa kanila yung mga product, ay yung mga ano nila dito anak, olives.
Yeah.
Olive oil. Yan, nandito ang olive trees.
And then, sabihin
ano ba yung tinikman natin dito anak?
I tasted strawberry lemon juice and we call this the lemon honey. Honey lemon.
Yes, so ano siya? Sarap naman.
Yeah. Dito nila, sabihin mo, dito guys, tinatanim olive trees and then ginagawa nilang produkto yung olive oil.
Yun yung mga ini-import
trading products
sa ibang bansa. Yeah. Nakakarating sa Saudi Arabia, kung saan-saan pang bahagi ng mundo. So, yan. And, yan, may mga souvenirs dito na pwede nating mabili.
Yes, yes, of course, my guest.
Yes. What's this? Taste it.
Yes, take my guest. This is bread and meat. Yes. Of course, my guest. We have sweet. Please take.
Try this. Tama.
I give you something else. Aromatic olive oil, mandarin, and for you, organic olive oil.
Aromatic olive oil. For massage.
Yes, of course. We have another one. Mandarin.
Masarap. Ano? Yes, sweet. May sesame seeds.
It's not that sweet, actually, but it's very good.
Okay, bibili tayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mandola. Caramelized. Soap with a magnet. Olive soap, natural.
Olive soap?
Yes.
Olive soap.
I bought olive oil for massage, like oil.
The place is Exochora.
Okay.
This small village is called Exochora, with the old olive tree that we will see in a few minutes, and of course many villages with small productions and very nice products.
Okay.
So 200 years na yan.
Yeah.
200.
Wait.
1,000-year-old
Olive tree.
Grabe.
Ito katibay, no?
Alam mo, parang ano siya.
Ayan siya. Maliit lang siya, oh. Hindi siya ganun kalaki.
Stuck here at this branch for hundreds of years. Somebody, some 100 years ago, put this stone here, and as the branch was growing and became like this stone stuck here, and it still remains here for we don't know how many years. Also, I would like to show you this impressive tree from this.
So, ngayon, kakain muna kami ng lunch. What is this, Rama?
Macaroni.
Pastisisyo, pizza, and si Ramon, omelette. Tara, kain tayo, guys.
Griko.
Griko.